Good morning, it's 7:01:02 on the 24th of September, Monday, UK time that is, and I'm going to go through the scenarios for today's trade in 6E. Before I do that, I'll quickly go through what happened on Friday. On Friday, expectations for scenario 1 was up to the key LVN and a sell-off down to this neckline. And scenario 2 was a pullback to the VPOC from the previous day and a continuation. So what happened is, this is Friday here, so it is scenario 1, which was open test 873 and a sell-off to the neckline, which is exactly what it did, only that it went to the previous week high. Sorry, only that it went to 881, which is a double top from the 17th of July. It's the high of that day, template day. Now, it didn't really, it was a two-way trade for a long time until 10:30. So it was an outside-in type of day, balanced day. At the open for a while until it sold off, so it didn't really it did for a while seem to me like it was going to be scenario 2, drop down to the VPOC in continuation, and then after this failed, it kind of eliminated the idea, and then we went back to scenario 1 for a test up and a sell-off to the LVN of Thursday, which is exactly what it did. Okay, so that's the story from Friday. Now let's look at what we expect for today's day trade. Okay, make some space. Okay, scenario 1, out in blue. Scenario 1 is open in range, test to the LVN, and then leave the range to the downside and extend lower to and if it's got some strength, it may go to the naked VPOC, but that's not so likely. It's more likely to this. So that's scenario 1. Scenario 2, I'm gonna do it in green. Scenario 2 was test lower, open auction, test lower, and then continue higher, and test the most traded price for the whole of the composite is 11,841. So it's a big area of balance, and then continue higher. direction. This key LVN here, in balance, gives a range of about 70 points. So that's scenario 2. And scenario 3 is a brisk test up and a sell off to the downside. It's like a trend down day. So that's my scenarios for Monday, the 24th of September. That's all I have. I'll see you again tomorrow, and we'll do it again tomorrow.